Hi guys, today I'm gonna do again a haul video for you all, and I bought recently something for myself and for my satisfaction. So I'm gonna share with you what I get for myself. So yeah, keep on watching. Firstly, I'm gonna show you this thing right here. It's a four it's a 4 sponges packet, and it retails for just rupees 60. So I love this thing so much, and it's really helpful for me, so for everyone out there. And then I have this Sweet Beauty primer, and this is the product. This is the outer packaging, guys. And I see this product on Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, and it retails for 350 rupees or something like that, and I get it from just rupees 200. Can you imagine? It's one of the cheapest primer in the India whatsoever, and it's a really good quality, and I'm gonna tell you that. So yeah, this is the packaging, guys, and it contains 30 ml product, and 30 ml for 30 ml product 200 rupees is amazing, and I love this primer so much. Yeah, then I got these 2 chubby sticks from MN Crayon, and I love these things. It looks so adorable and so cute, and I love this thing so much. So I got it. The first color is kind of orangish pinkish and very nice and looks amazing, and it retails for 100 rupees each. So this is the swatch, guys. I already swatched it. So this is the swatch of the first color, and it's really opaque in one go like this. Then I have this color, this pinkish mauvish kind of color, and I am a fan of pink lipsticks. Every girl is a fan of pink lipsticks, so I am just loving this thing. So yeah, this is the swatch. Wow, so much products in there. I don't even touched once. So yeah, then I have this Blue Heaven foundation, Blue Heaven makeup foundation with SPF, and it's a really good daily foundation. It retails for I think 150 rupees, and it's really good daily foundation. You can use it daily wise. So it's a really hydrating kind of a foundation, and it's not so oily like Blue Heaven like this Blue Heaven foundation. It's not so oily. This thing is very good. The smell is kind of same, but the product is different, so I definitely like this one more than this one. So yeah, this is a good thing. Then I have this thing. It's the ADS shimmer powder. The outer packaging looks like this, and the quality of the plastic is very nice. It doesn't even feel that it is cheap or something like that. It feels so heavy, so good, and I love this thing so much. It also has a shifter, and I don't believe this thing has a shifter also. And it's a body and face shimmer. It's a really nice face shimmer also, and you can use it, and you can use this puff for your body shimmer, and you can apply it on your shoulder, on your hand, and on whatever and wherever you want shimmer. So yeah, this is very nice thing, and it retails for 150 rupees. Then I have this makeup fixing spray. I don't even think I'm gonna get it really first. So this is the thing, guys. This is a Kiss Beauty makeup fixing spray. So yeah, the packaging is look like this, and the quality of the plastic is again very good, and it has a very nice spray kind of thing. So I just love this. And it's gonna help to stick my foundation, stick my makeup on my skin. I don't wear makeup daily, so it's gonna help to stay my foundation whenever I use foundation or base makeup. So yeah, this is the product. The smell is kind of wow to me, and I like this thing. And then I have this Mills eyebrow powder, and I am seeing this product everywhere in the Instagram stores and in the internet, Flipkart. Everyone has this product, but the price are in the internet are really high, and I just get this product from 100 rupees. For just 100 rupees, I can't imagine I just get a good thing in just rupees 100. When I just get it, I use it for one whole day in my eyebrows, and my whole face are melting down like hell. This thing stays on my eyebrow for good 6 to 7 hours, and I'm really impressed by this thing. I don't even imagine that it's helped to look my eyebrows really good for a long day. So yeah, I love this thing so much. Then I have this Touch and Finish face illuminator. This is not a face illuminator, so I just don't like it as a face illuminator. I just use it as a loose pigment in my eyeshadow. I already have golden one, so this is a pink version of the golden one. So I just love this thing. So I am just tried out any eye makeup with this thing, so I'm just gonna give it a try. This retails for 50 rupees again. So yeah, and then I have the most rated product of whole year, the Marsh Contour Palette. It looks like that, and it has 5 colors of contour. And this is the product, guys. I love the packaging. It's so classy, so good, and so it's really a good thing. I don't even touch any of these concealers right now, but I definitely gonna try this thing on my face. And yeah, and it also has a very nice brush. It's a very nice concealer brush for my inner tufts and something like small areas. Like, I just love this thing to see, because it has a very nice packaging, and the net weight of this thing is 16 grams, so it's a good purchase, I think. And it retails for, again, it's a overrated product in internet. Whenever I search this product, it retails for 350 rupees or something like that. This retails for 120 rupees in our local markets in Kolkata. So just wait, if you are staying in Kolkata, just give it a try before puja, because when the puja comes closer, you can't bargain anything. They don't care about you, so just bargain and bought it right now if you want. So yeah, this is the product. Then I have this HR concealer and contour stick. I use it as a base pan stick, and it's a really a nice product. HR has very nice products whatsoever, so I just love to use this. And the swatch of is like same of my skin color, so you can't see very much difference on my hand. So yeah, I definitely gonna use it. And yeah, this is the final thing, guys. So okay, I have one more thing to go. The eyelash from, I don't know what brand, cause I don't understand Chinese or Japanese anything, so I don't know what the brand is. But the eyelash is looking so dense, and I love this thing because I got it for just 50 rupees. So I just get it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And subscription is really free. Whenever you subscribe to my channel, welcome to Rishita's Zone. So yeah, I hope to see you guys next time.